Hi, I'm Matthew from Postmodern C++, and today we are talking about RAII. First of all, RAII stands for Resource Acquisition is Initialization. The term was coined by Bjarne Stroustrup, the creator of C++ himself. This was generally considered a bad move. Jokes aside, the term is first found in Stroustrup's book, Design and Evolution of C++, published in 1994, but the concept was already present in the second edition of the C++ programming language, dated 1991. When a software engineer brings up RAII in a discussion, they typically want to discuss about resource management. As a matter of fact, the term RAII was introduced to describe a fundamental C++ design principle. Resources such as memory, file handles, or locks should be acquired during an object initialization, and they should be released automatically when the object goes out of scope. In other words, RAII means that C++ programs should bind a resource lifecycle to the scope of an object, making resource management perfectly predictable. The RAII approach ensures that resources are always properly managed, even in the presence of exceptions or complex control flows. Instead of manually managing resource allocation and deallocation, RAII makes resource management automatic and safer by leveraging C++ deterministic destruction mechanism. Consider the following function. Its job is to open a file and to write something to it based on some more or less complex logic that we don't really care about right now. Without RAII, we would have to close the file at the end of the function and before throwing any exception. This means a lot of duplicated code and a high chance of forgetting to release resources. Thankfully, std output file streams implement RAII, and we can safely delete line 15 and avoid closing the file at line 12. This is no doubt a very trivial example, but I hope it's meaningful enough to let you realize how RAII is basically forcing your codebase to achieve safety and correctness by actually making you write less code. If you like this video, please subscribe and let me know what are your thoughts on RAII in the comments. See ya!